Hi guys, John Doe here. In this video, we will discuss the 6 best whiteboard video examples to inspire you in 2021. Have you not yet tried to use a whiteboard explainer video in your marketing? It's high time to do it. Many new businesses all over the world had success after the launch of video marketing campaigns. Without further ado, let's immerse into the fantastic animation journey. The campus. Are you looking for a perfect university to start studying in the UAE? Look no further. The campus will do almost all the work instead of you. It is a service for searching for a university in the UAE that suits best the students' requirements and expectations. Above, you can see an excellent whiteboard video that describes the campus in detail. It is created with Explain Ninja, a Poland-based explainer video production company. This animation showcases how you can use a service, what are its biggest benefits, why it is the market leader in the consulting services for students. The video is featured in a clean and beautiful animation. It celebrates a perfect combination of lines and a super restricted color palette. This generates memorable and outstanding characters. We would also like to emphasize the smooth transitions between the scenes in this video. This video is fun, engaging, and pleasing. That is why it serves to appear at the top of our list. Adobe Echo Sign. This whiteboard animated video from Adobe is another excellent example. It promotes its EchoSign product and explains its essence in detail. Adobe Sign is a cloud-based e-signature service that allows the user to send, sign, track, and manage signature processes. This is done using a browser or mobile device. This video has impressed us with its smooth and fluid nature of transitions and object transformations. The lines follow incredible movements that combine into one object that is changing within seconds and gaining a new look and shape. These beautiful visual effects add even more style and distinctiveness to the animation. Adobe has utilized the power of an explainer video, turning it into one engaging story and clear explanation at the same time. Where good ideas come from. Riverhead Books. Do you know where good ideas come from? Stephen Johnson helps us to understand it in this amazing whiteboard explainer video. Drawing illustrations of different scenes one after another, the author is creating an engaging story. This follows a clear plotline and expands far beyond a single illustration. When this incredible half-improvisational process is shooted and displayed as one video, these illustrations become alive, combining into one animation. Red Bull's Whiteboard Series. Do you remember Coca-Cola Content 2020? We particularly love how a giant Coca-Cola has done it. As a marketing innovator, Coca-Cola always runs successful campaigns that bring even more popularity to a brand. This year, a company has decided to share its marketing secrets with the whole world. Coca-Cola has created an animation video that tells about the best content marketing practices. In the video, VP Jonathan Mildenhall narrates this animation. A storytelling style is like where good ideas come from. Riverhead Books discussed above. But, in this video, we can see a completely different character design and smoother transitions between scenes. It has been applied because an explainer video is under 7 minutes long. This requires a well-thought and eye-pleasing way to switch between illustrations. Apple A Day, whiteboard free for iPhone, iPad and Android. Apple has surprised us with a simple yet genius approach to the launch of a new task management app, Apple A Day. The animation also looks very simple. Although the meat is in the witty metaphor that references the app name to a famous saying, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. The whole plot of the video is twisting around this metaphor and makes the animation look even more appealing and smart. Conclusion. A whiteboard animated video is a perfect tool to convey your marketing message. Also to convey instructions about how to use your product in a concise and creative manner. Whiteboard animation requires less time, effort, and investments for its production. But, combined with a great story, it can perform even better than a full-size video and bring more engagement and sales for your business.